A is for apple, red and round. B is for butterflies, flying all around. C is for clouds, so fluffy and white. D is for ducks, waddling inside. E is for earth, beneath our feet. F is for flowers, smelling so sweet. G is for grass, so soft to touch. H is for honeybees, buzzing so much. A, B, C, D, come with me. E, F, G, what do you see? H, I, J, K, look around. L, M, N, hear that sound. I is for insects, tiny and small. J is for jumping frogs, big and tall. K is for kites, soaring up high. L is for leaves, dancing in the sky. Oh, M is for mountains, standing so strong. N is for nests, where birds belong. O is for ocean waves, so free. P is for pine trees, tall as can be. Oh, A, B, C, D, what do you hear? E, F, G, sound so clear. H, I, J, K, colors bright. L, M, N, what's in sight? Q is for quail, hiding in the shade. R is for rain, drip, drop, cascade. S is for sunshine, warm and bright. T is for twinkling stars, shining at night. U is for umbrella trees, big and wide. V is for violets, blooming with pride. W is for wind, whistling through. X is for xylophone, birds singing for you. Oh yeah, Y is for yellow daisies, pretty to see. Z is for zebras,